It's Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm on Chicago Avenue in Evanston, looking at Dollop Coffee and Hoosier Mama Pie. Heading around for a look at the Firehouse Grill. Looking north along Chicago Avenue to the main Metro stop and CTA stop for the Purple Line. Looking also at a great strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops. Brothers K Coffee House is around the corner. Lucky Platter. Ton of other restaurants. Just a great spot. And I am headed 1/2 block east of here for a walk through one of the apartments at the Presidential. I'm in apartment 611, a one-bedroom, looking north toward the lake through a wide wall of windows. Turning into a spacious living dining area. Plank flooring extending throughout. The space is bright. Looking at the entryway, it's a wide closet off to my right and the bath. Looking at a dining kitchen area. Could also be a great spot for your home office desk. Kitchen is L-shaped. It's a stainless steel appliance package that includes a built-in microwave and dishwasher. It's a 4-burner gas range with a range hood. Granite counters. An undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. And generally good cabinet and counter space. Looking back into that living area, you have through-the-wall heating and air conditioning units. Wide closet, again. Bath has upscale finishes, including attractive tile. There's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet and a soaking tub. Bedroom can accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. And again, you have a wide wall of windows. And a wide closet. The Presidential has a street-level outdoor terrace and a landscaped rooftop sundeck with a variety of seating, grilling stations, and a shaded area with views of the lake and the Chicago skyline. The building has a lobby-level fitness room with free weights and cardio equipment. There's a bike storage area and an easy-to-navigate on-site garage. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.